The crypto whales have a huge impact on the prices insomuch as they make their sales and purchases in a swift manner. The actions they take have a lot of impact for two major preliminary reasons. One is the sheer volume involved in each transaction, while the second factor playing a crucial role is the effect that it has on the community and other investors. Let us get into those reasons and figure out what may be the ones causing an effect on AMP specifically. Let us know what you think will affect the market. Welcome back to another video on this channel, where we focus on a few major cryptocurrencies taking over the market extensively. We will be considering a lot of factors relevant to the current market of AMP, and will work on the impact that the whales will have on the prices. Make sure you turn on post notifications, and also leave us a comment down in the comment section to let us know your opinion about the cryptocurrency that we will be speaking of today. Keep in mind that we are giving away $30 to 2 random subscribers at the end of the month. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section below. And most importantly, watch the video till the end.
Hey, come on, watch this!
Also, before we get started, allow us to mention that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. This video is meant to be strictly for entertainment purposes only. Therefore, make sure that all decisions you make come out of a prudent analysis of all relevant factors that might have a huge impact on the present prices. Please keep in mind that the cryptocurrency markets are extremely volatile, and prices may fluctuate very rapidly in a very small period. Therefore, any investor will need to be mentally present and updated with all relevant information that may affect the prices in any form. Now, let us get started without any further delays. The whales generally have a huge impact on the prices of any cryptocurrency in the market. They may put forth a huge buying or selling action as their own acts turn out to gain huge publicity among the crypto investors. The effect they cause leads to a situation where the prices keep moving on to a certain direction, which continues until the trend changes to the opposite direction. Especially during periods of low volumes, they can use a lot of exchange accounts that may be controlled by a single bot or different whale bots, which tend to work together. They may be working on single or multiple exchanges, continuing to buy or sell low volumes of coins. This process is called micro-trading between the accounts while consuming a thin order book. One special attribute of these micro-trades is that such trades will be slow-paced and will be numerous in number. These will also be in very small quantities, which becomes the reason for the name that it has derived.
I am not sure you'd call them micro.
Typically, the whales may go through a feeding cycle, which is found in 2 patterns. One is the parabolic phase, while the other one is the suppression phase. Apart from both of these, there is another type called the starvation phase, which is slightly different and will be discussed in the further parts of this video. Now, as far as the parabolic phase is considered, it is the one that attracts the krill. In other words, it is a good setup for the phase as it involves waiting until there is some news that can be called good. Simultaneously, the volume may also lead up to its relatively low values while this happens. The next one we spoke of was the suppression phase, which in normal terms is the tenure that weighs down the price. There are typically 2 aspects found in this. The upward killing trends and the grinding downwards trend, with a few fakeouts, are the 2 examples. Now let us get to the third type, which is the starvation phase. This phase is pretty self-explanatory and is something that is extremely relevant to the situation of AMP at the moment. The question of when AMP will hit the 50 cents mark can, to a great extent, be resolved through the explanation of this concept. Based on the calculations that we can make, taking into consideration the current market cap and the circulating supply, the prices will hit the mark of 50 cents as soon as we see the market cap crossing the $18 billion mark. This means that from the present market value of 5.8 cents as of 27th of November 2021 and the market cap of over $2 billion, we will be able to see this happening within the next few years. One way is to continue investing in great numbers. This will help the cryptocurrency pass through the starvation phase and be one of the best cryptocurrencies available in the market.
You wait and see.
However, one thing that will affect the cryptocurrency greatly is the fact that if the price of the same is kept low by the whales for a long time, we may see a reduction in the prices of this cryptocurrency. This is not good news for the whales, which means that most likely, even before their acts affect the market price of AMP, they will counter it by making some movements. The movements they make as a result may include consuming off from inexperienced investors. In the past few months, a few huge transfers have been coming out from the whales. These wallets have been making major investments in the AMP, which has led to major price action in recent times. For example, a transfer of more than $370 million worth of AMP tokens took place within the past few months, and this is a transfer that took place in a single go. So as you see, the intensity of the transfers that the whales make is enormous, and they will certainly have a huge impact on the market. With the millions or billions of tokens being transferred by them, the effect they have on the ones trading smaller quantities is high. This becomes the fundamental reason why we need to greatly consider the impact they will be having on the market. A huge impact is noticed on the prices as soon as investments or transactions like this are noticed. Getting back to the transaction that we were speaking about in this video, with over $300 million being invested into the cryptocurrency market, we can be certain that the number of AMP tokens that he may have received back then could have crossed the 5 billion mark without any uncertainties. This is something that is huge compared to the investments that other people make in AMP. The actions that this wallet will be making will be highly anticipated and tracked to ensure that the others don't miss out on any of the price updates caused as a result of a transaction by this wallet. So as you saw, the impact of a whale in any cryptocurrency is humongous. You will certainly notice a lot of investors making a huge number of transactions each day, while many of them will constantly be trying to push the prices up. All we need to do is stay updated and keep track of their progress. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let us know in the comments section below what you feel about this. We will be back with another one.